We're looking to add new franchisees to our growing family of mold, biohazard, water damage, and hoarding professionals nationwide. There's never been a better time to enter our $210 billion environmental cleaning and damage restoration industries. Becoming a Mastertech franchisee immediately gives you the advantage of our powerful, national trusted brand. All of our franchisees receive in-person training and ongoing support for the life of their franchise. In addition, you receive marketing support, sales coaching, and operational systems that keep your phones ringing and your business thriving. Joining the Mastertech franchise family allows you to be in business for yourself, but never by yourself. So if you're ready to own your own business and make a great living on your schedule while providing invaluable services to the members of your community, we should talk.